It's morning, it's almost 8 o'clock. I wait my friend and then we go to the one meeting, like we will meet with the guys. And whoa, how you pump the tires here. It's a little bit difficult, however. Yeah, it will be some meeting over some passes, and let's see, we will drive a little bit with the car and that's it. This was a car which I was looking before I purchased BMW, and was this Mercedes AMG, and I was really looking forward for the because of spoiler. And yeah, I like it. Looks really nice, looks really clean, and looks really fast. Yeah, but unfortunately the price is almost double. This one not so much. This one it's just a little bit more expensive than mine. So yeah, therefore we will go and let's see what will happen today and how many guys. This should be a Spanish group, so yeah, let's see. The first time I go in Switzerland on some car meet that we drive together, so I'm really excited. And on the other side, Ferrari. On the other side, just a Sunday driving. So let's see. Wait a friend and then off we go. Let's. Just while I'm waiting, I showed my BMW. Clean it yesterday for today show off, and yeah, a little bit clean. Looks nice. I'm happy. I'm happy with the purchase. I'm happy with what I get it. So yeah. Clean the lens, and we are now on the Susten. Grimsel is close, so I let the car here down, and yeah, I wait now the group that they will pass, and we see a little bit sound check, and also the cars, how they drive and how they looks. Really nice cars, so that they pass, because normally I'm normally behind, so I go further up and I will here to look. Really nice to meet some people. Everybody speaks Spanish, me not so much, I just understand. But yeah, so yeah, it's quite nice day. It's not too cold, it's not rainy, the street is completely dry, you can see it. The only thing is that the Grimsel, it's close, not close, but it was 2 degrees or 1 degrees and really rainy, and yeah, we decide not to go, but yeah, now we are here. Mazda MX-5 Targa, really nice, really nice, nice car. So the small group go now. I will go park the car and go back, go follow them, and yeah, we will meet up somewhere, I don't know where, some parking. I'm first time on Susten Pass, so no idea how it looks, no idea how it is. So now pack everything and then go. Ooh, one more car coming. The sound check. Old Porsche. Old Porsche. Amazing. Nice. Really nice cars. So yeah, let's go. We are on the Susten Pass. Everybody already gone, you can see. So yeah, we are alone now, and we just go with Nozet back down on the undermat, and then we go slowly home. The time is 3 o'clock. At 5 o'clock we will be probably at home, and yeah, so it's a nice Sunday with a really nice view there around. So I don't know if you can see it. I will try to edit, but yeah, really nice view. So yeah, was nice to meet a lot of guys, and yeah, let's go.